Have you ever heard of a sponge that's a vegetable? Meet Luffa Cylindrica, a plant that offers many uses. It's not just a kitchen sponge, it's a sustainable wonder. Luffa Cylindrica is commonly known as loofah. This unique plant grows in warm climates. Unlike typical sponges, loofahs are grown and harvested. They come from the cucumber family. Imagine a fruit that's actually a sponge. To cultivate Luffa Cylindrica, start with seeds. Plant them in a sunny location with well-drained soil. Give them space, as they can grow over 6 feet tall. Water regularly and watch them climb. In around 180 days, you'll see mature fruits. Harvest them when they turn yellow. Then peel and dry to get that sponge texture. You can even cut them into desired shapes. Loofah sponges are eco-friendly. Unlike synthetic sponges, they're biodegradable. They are perfect for scrubbing and exfoliating. Plus, they're gentle on your skin. Loofahs also have health benefits. Using them helps improve blood circulation. They can even assist in removing dead skin cells. This makes your skin feel refreshed and rejuvenated. You can use loofah in various ways. Consider a natural bath scrub or dish sponge. Got extra loofah? They can be composted or used in crafts. Their versatility is truly impressive. In summary, Luffa Cylindrica is more than a sponge. It's an eco-friendly alternative to synthetic options. Easy to grow, harvest, and use for multiple purposes. Want to try growing your own Luffa Cylindrica? Start with seeds today. Transform your home into a green paradise. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.